This video will show you a review of the Courseiv.io if it is still worth it or not. This site right here provides AI-driven courses covering tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney. It offers interactive guides, challenges, and personalized learning paths tailored to beginners aiming to leverage AI for freelancing or content creation. Users appreciate the learning structured lesson and user-friendly interface. The platform integration of AI tools aids in practical learning, making it accessible for those new to the field. However, many users report issues with the billing practices, such as unexpected charges and difficulties obtaining refunds. Let's search it right here. So while this has garnered positive reviews on platforms like Jasper, it also faces criticism for its subscription model and customer support challenges. In summary, this site right here, Courseiv.io, can be valuable resource for beginners exploring AI tools. However, potential users should be cautious of the subscription terms and consider starting with a trial to assess its suitability.